Hey everyone, not too long ago I bought some fake ceramic coating. It was MR.FIX 10H. So, it was fake. Don't buy that one. Yeah, I'm not saying all of them are fake, but I would just avoid that brand entirely because, 5,000 people bought those and they ended up buying oil, I think. Anyways, we're going to try two new ones. One of these was maybe like $3, one was maybe $10. Unfortunately, the one I have experience with came in a blue bottle and it came in a wooden box, but that was like 10 years ago. That's what I put on my Toyota, and that was real ceramic. That stuff, you put a drop of that and it dried out to be a hard crystalline layer. Anyway, so let's try this one, 9H MR.FIX, and I don't really care about the box. I just want to see if this is real ceramic or not. So this is really no, it didn't have this printing, the one I bought years ago. Alright, so simple test. We're just going to open this thing, and I'm going to put a drop of this on this piece of plastic here next to the blue. You probably don't want to use your bare fingers, this is nano. You don't want to get silicosis or whatever this carrier is. It's probably dangerous. So I'm going to just put a few drops there. And if this is real stuff, the carrier should evaporate and there should be some ceramic particles left behind. So let me recap that. And also, like the real stuff, if you open it, after a while it dries out, all the stuff evaporates. But the fake stuff never did. Now this one here says 10H Glaskare 2023 newest version, 5 years diamond protection. And it's a black box with this gold logo. Let's see what the logo looks like. Alright, so it looks like a falcon head or an eagle head or something. And what's the bottle look like? It is a red bottle, it is opaque, it is glass. If you get a plastic bottle, it's highly unlikely that's real ceramic. I don't really care about the application right now. I'm just trying to find out right now if these are real. So this here says 10H permanent bond. Okay, and nothing else, right? 30 ml. I think this bottle's just painted. I think it's just painted red and clear coated. The actual cap looks identical. I wouldn't doubt that these are the same. Well, this bottle actually says D4 on the bottom, so they're not the exact same bottle. Alright, well, anyways. Oh, wait a sec. I gotta shake these, yeah? Possibly, maybe some settling, although I kind of doubt it because it's a nano. So I'm gonna put some more of this blue stuff out, give it a fair evaluation. Let's see if it dries out. That's definitely shaken, right? You see a bunch of air bubbles. Okay, big thing of that spread out. Okay, shake it up. Oh, now this is, I think, real ceramic because look, there's a whole bunch of dried ceramic already in this bottle. So this one is legit for sure, because why else would that be there in the first place? Alright, well, anyways, we'll prove a point. I'm going to open it up anyways and pour some out on near the red indicator. Now that one, I'm positive you're going to see a puddle of ceramic there later on. And let me close that up. Boy, kind of contaminated this one, all the crystals. Alright, so this red bottle, I'm going to go put this in a food dehydrator at 70 Celsius. And that should dry out the carrier even faster. But you can see here, and this whole area here, boy, I think I'd have to do this again, right? It's just too polluted with other stuff. What to do? What a pain, Alright, Okay, I'm going to do it again. I just wasn't expecting this to have all this ceramic already on it. Okay, that side, the red is out. These have been shaken already, so I think we're good there. The blue one, okay. Okay, hopefully you can see. Well, maybe you can't see it. Yeah, alright, now you can see. Big puddle, I'm going to put it in a food dehydrator and come back. Okay, so I'm back, and I want to just go over the last review, the MR.FIX 10H. This is the same piece when I reviewed it, and it's been several days now. There's no ceramic in this. That's what I've deciphered. See, watch my fingernail. It just scratches it. I think it's just oil and wax. It does feel a little waxy, but there's no glass in there whatsoever, because if it was, you wouldn't be able to do that, right? So MR.FIX 10H, I think that's a scam. Alright, well, anyways, I did put this in a food dehydrator for 30 minutes, but it didn't seem to make a difference. Like, it was still liquidy. So I read the instructions, and it turns out this blue one, you're supposed to spray some water down first. So you need moisture for the blue one to harden. I didn't do that, by the way. I just ended up putting this outside for half a day, and I live in the tropics. There's so much moisture, relative humidity, that this thing is hard now in half a day. And this one does no indication of spraying it down. It just says wipe it off, and that's it. There's no need to spray it with water. Okay, so the blue side here, it evened out quite a bit. It's kind of hard to see. I was assuming it would get a little frosty like that other old one I tried, but no, this is crystal clear. I think you can see the edge right now, right? So I touched this, right? It's not soft, it's not wet, it's just dry. Same with the red bottle, this Glaskare or whatever it is. Yeah, alright, well, actually, hold on, look at that. I just scratched that off, so that's not good. Let me try down here. Yeah, that's, I don't know if there's ceramic in there. If there is, it's very little, because I shouldn't be able to scratch it with my fingernail. So that's not promising. It's weird, because you clearly saw it opened with a bunch of glass crystals. But this blue one, I cannot scratch it with my fingernail. So I'm curious. I'm going to just bend this plastic and let's see if this cracks. It will not. It will not. Okay. Yeah, so the red is definitely bad. I just scratched it all off with my fingernail. So that's not good. But this blue stuff, so now the question is, I need something sharper. Well, here's a little Hot Wheels axle. This is steel. Look at that. I mean, I'm not pressing hard, but I am pressing into it, and no, so far it's not scratching any of it off. That's impressive. Granted, that's the smooth surface of steel. This side is sharper, so I am gonna cut in. There, it did scratch it right there. Yeah. But I mean, I think this is acceptable. I mean, if someone's taking a sharp object to your thing, you can't expect it to stop that from happening. Alright, well anyways, so really unexpected results. I thought the red was going to be harder because it was already flaking off when it came out of the bottle, but it turns out this blue stuff is harder. You can't just scratch it off with your fingernail. Oh, wait a second. If I catch the edge, I am digging into it, but still, I think the blue one is the way to go. Yeah. Yeah, this red one is a bit of a letdown. It's way too easy to scratch off. Yeah, I pretty much removed all of it now, right? So that's not cool. But the blue one, you really got to try to get it off. See, now that those are all scratched, maybe now. No, even with the scratches, I can't get my fingernail in there to scratch more off. Okay, well for me, it's the clear winner is MR.FIX Premium Coating 9H. But there's several different ones, so you have to specifically look for something with a graphic bottle like this. It's kind of hard. Boy, let me here. Maybe it's more visible against a white background. It's just so shiny. So you gotta look out for this kind of font. It's silver foil. It's got a gold cap with 2 silver rings cut out. Protective paint coat 9H. Alright, and this is the cheaper one. I think it was like $2 or $3 where I live. So I'll leave a link, but no guarantees. Maybe someone's gonna go and fake this stuff too, right? So it's just sad, all the fake stuff in the world. Well, hopefully I helped you figure something out. Maybe none of these are good for you, but I'm gonna use this blue stuff to protect some of my model cars. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.